Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and unfortunately or fortunately, depending on how I like it, I have a Glam Planner mystery kit. I had canceled my subscription because the first one took too long to ship, and this one took equally as long, so I had canceled the other one, which should have been this week's, like this month's mystery kit. However, it wasn't. I was still charged even though I got confirmation that I did cancel this one. So I messaged her, and essentially, she was very nice, but that was cute. Essentially she said, you know, yeah, it's confusing because it says this, but it doesn't mean that. So essentially, I'm stuck with a kit. I didn't ask for a refund, I didn't ask for anything. I just was confused at why I was charged when I had canceled. This shipped on the 18th, I got it yesterday. So today is the 25th. So pretty good as far as like time from shipping to my house, because she's in California and I am in Georgia, so that was really good. But as far as when you're actually charged this and when it's shipped, that is terrible. I think her shipping times are kind of really lacking lately. I know she said she's making some changes, and I really hope that she does, because her stuff is beautiful and I've always liked her stuff. So I got the essentials again. So there's no extras in the essentials, which I think in last time I had mentioned I got the essentials, but I wasn't sure if it had come with it or not. This is a much better kit than last year or last month's. Like, hands down, so much better. I don't like the girls at all. They're gray. Literally, they're gray. I don't know if that's gonna pick up on camera. They're literally gray. Not this, but like the inside. It's like if you want it to be like a deeper skin tone, gray is probably not the choice. So this is the double box that you get, which I think is super cute. This was, I've seen a few kits in this clip art, so I'm glad I didn't buy any. Or I just remember like these girls. I don't remember like the rest of the clip art, so maybe, I don't know. I'm losing my mind. It's been a kind of a terrible day, but we're here. So I like the full boxes. Again, I'm just not into that like girl thing. You know, I sound like someone said like, yeah, you're not into girls. I'm like, wait, you're right, I'm not, but that's not what I meant. So it's kind of funny. I'm not into the fashion girls on kits. So these are the full boxes, and then we have the checklist. Then we have the little things, the headers, some half boxes, and then some sidebar like functional items. Oh yeah, and then the washi here. I forgot. I don't know if I mentioned that in that last video, but this is washi for your planner. And then this is like the bottom washi. They're cut the same, and then you add that to be in the Erin Condren, because she formats these to be in her inserts. So I like that she gives the option to do it in an Erin Condren. You have some sidebar, some functional, and then these are cut washis. Yeah. Weekend banner, and then, yeah, this kit is so much better than last month's. Like, this kit, I wouldn't be one that I ran out and bought. Like, probably not even a little bit, but it is so much better than last month's. Even if I don't like a kit, yeah, I'm sure you can see maybe paw prints. Yeah, so even if I don't like a kit, I can still appreciate the kit being pretty. However, I really didn't like last month's kit. But this kit, you know, I'll keep. I probably won't sell it. Sorry, my cat is like, of course, he just has to be around. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this kit. I feel like this is kind of like a comeback because I feel like we're in 2018, it's the 25th is when I'm filming this. I feel like this is a good comeback kit for her mystery kits. I still stand by September and October being like my favorite mystery kits of all time from her, and I'm glad to see she's headed in a really good direction, because I think a lot of people didn't like November's, which I liked November's, but December I think flopped pretty hard for a lot of people. But I'm happy to see this kit and where it is. Again, the gray skin tone is so weird, but other than that, to be honest, although I use all my full boxes, so I may cut this one up to be like a normal, like double box, or even just elongated but split it, so I don't have to use these two, or like I could put something over that, because it's just so weird to me. Like I can't get over that skin tone color. But all right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.